Most people live their entire lives using only half of their mind, and they wonder why their reality never changes. But the moment you activate the other half, the silent, powerful right hemisphere, you enter a level of mind where imagination becomes instruction and reality begins to obey. Tonight, you are about to discover how to enter the alpha level. And once you learn this, your mind will never be the same again. Most people grow up believing that the mind is only meant for thinking, analyzing, and solving logical problems. From childhood, we are trained to use the analytical side of our mind, the side that calculates, compares, and questions everything. It helps us pass exams, complete tasks, and navigate the practical world. But what most people never realize is that this is only half of the mind's true power. The other half is far more mysterious, far more creative, and far more powerful than most people can imagine. It is the silent side of the mind, the side that does not argue, does not doubt, and does not limit possibilities. This side of the brain operates through imagination, intuition, emotion, and deep inner awareness. It is the part of the mind that dreams while you sleep and visualizes possibilities that logic cannot yet understand. When this side of the mind becomes active, something extraordinary begins to happen. Ideas begin to flow effortlessly. Solutions appear without struggle. Creativity expands in ways that feel almost magical. It becomes easier to sense opportunities, understand people, and feel guided toward the right decisions. Life no longer feels like a constant battle of effort and pressure. Yet most people rarely activate this deeper intelligence. Their minds stay trapped in constant noise, endless thinking, worrying, analyzing, and over-questioning. That constant mental activity keeps the deeper part of the mind silent. The creative power remains asleep, waiting for the moment when the mind becomes calm enough to access it. The truth is that your mind was designed to work as a complete system. The logical side organizes the world, but the intuitive side creates it. One side observes reality, while the other has the ability to shape it. When these two parts work together, the human mind becomes an incredibly powerful instrument. History has shown that the greatest creators, inventors, visionaries, and innovators were not simply thinking harder than everyone else. They were accessing a deeper state of mind where imagination and intuition were fully alive. In that state, ideas appear with clarity and certainty as if they already exist somewhere beyond ordinary thought. Inside you right now exists that same silent intelligence waiting patiently beneath the surface of everyday thinking. It does not force itself into your awareness, but when you learn to quiet the noise of the mind and activate this deeper hemisphere, you begin to unlock abilities that most people spend their entire lives searching for without ever realizing they were already within them. There is a state of mind that exists between wakefulness and sleep, a calm and quiet mental level where the noise of the outside world begins to fade and the deeper intelligence within you starts to awaken. Most people pass through this state every night without realizing it. It appears for a few moments when you are drifting into sleep, and again when you are just beginning to wake up. In those brief moments, the mind becomes peaceful, relaxed, and highly receptive. This mental state is known as the alpha level. It is not a mystical or unreachable condition reserved for a few extraordinary individuals. It is a natural state of consciousness that every human mind is capable of entering. The difference is that most people move through it unconsciously, while those who understand its power learn how to enter it intentionally. When the mind enters this level, the constant stream of analytical thinking begins to slow down. The restless chatter that usually fills the mind becomes quiet. Stress begins to dissolve. Tension leaves the body, and the brain starts operating at a calmer rhythm. In this state, the mind becomes incredibly receptive to ideas, images, and suggestions. This is the moment when the deeper layers of the mind begin to open. The subconscious mind becomes more active, and the creative side of the brain starts to communicate more clearly. Instead of forcing solutions through effort, insights begin to appear naturally. Thoughts feel clearer, imagination becomes more vivid, and your inner awareness becomes stronger. Entering this state does not require complicated rituals or difficult techniques. It begins with something very simple: relaxation. When you slow your breathing, release the tension in your body, and allow your mind to become calm, you start moving toward this level naturally. The more relaxed the body becomes, the quieter the mind becomes. And as the mind becomes quiet, the doorway to the alpha level begins to open. In this calm mental space, the mind becomes extremely powerful because it is no longer divided by doubt and resistance. Thoughts placed into the mind at this level carry much more influence. Images imagined here feel more real. Intentions become clearer. It becomes easier to focus on what you truly want rather than what you fear. This is why learning to consciously enter this state can transform the way you experience life. Instead of living only on the surface level of the mind, you begin operating from a deeper level of awareness, where your thoughts, your imagination, and your intentions start shaping your reality in ways that most people never learn to access. When the mind enters a calm and receptive state, something remarkable begins to happen inside your imagination. Images become clearer, thoughts become more focused, and the mind starts responding to pictures in a way that is far more powerful than ordinary thinking. This is because the deeper levels of the mind do not respond primarily to words or logic. They respond to images, emotions, and sensory experiences that feel real. This is where visualization becomes one of the most powerful tools a human being can use. Visualization is not simply daydreaming or casually imagining something pleasant. It is the deliberate act of creating clear mental pictures that the deeper mind can accept as instructions. When these images are repeated with focus and emotional belief, the subconscious mind begins to treat them as patterns that must eventually appear in the physical world. The deeper mind cannot easily distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you create an image with enough detail and emotion, the brain begins responding as if that experience is already happening. Your body reacts, your emotions align with the picture, and your internal belief system begins adjusting to match that vision. This is why people who learn to visualize effectively often notice changes not only in their thinking, but also in their behavior, confidence, and decisions. The mind begins guiding them toward actions that match the image they have created internally. Opportunities that once seemed invisible suddenly become noticeable. Ideas appear that help move them closer to what they imagined. The power of visualization grows stronger when it is practiced in a calm mental state. When the mind is relaxed and focused, the images you create sink deeper into the subconscious. Instead of being filtered by doubt or overthinking, they move directly into the deeper layers of the mind where long-term beliefs are formed. In that state, imagination becomes a kind of language that communicates directly with the subconscious mind. Every picture you create becomes a message. Every feeling attached to that image becomes a signal that tells the deeper mind what kind of reality you want to experience. Over time, the subconscious mind begins organizing your thoughts, perceptions, and behaviors around those internal pictures. It starts guiding you toward people, ideas, and actions that align with what you repeatedly imagine. This is why mastering the ability to visualize clearly is not just a creative exercise. It becomes a way of programming the mind, shaping belief, and gradually transforming the direction of your life through the powerful images you choose to create within your own consciousness. Deep within every human mind, there exists a silent intelligence that never sleeps. It listens constantly, observes every thought, and records every emotion you experience. This deeper level of the mind operates beneath your conscious awareness, quietly influencing your habits, reactions, and decisions throughout the day. Most people live their entire lives without ever realizing they are communicating with this inner intelligence every moment. The subconscious mind does not argue with you. It does not question your beliefs or analyze your thoughts. Instead, it accepts the messages you send to it and begins organizing your internal world around those messages. Every repeated thought, every strong emotion, and every vivid image becomes a form of communication directed toward this powerful inner system. When people constantly think about fear, doubt, and limitation, the subconscious mind receives those messages as instructions. It begins shaping behavior, perception, and expectation in ways that match those repeated signals. This is why many people unknowingly create patterns in their lives that repeat again and again. They are unknowingly giving the same instructions to their deeper mind every day. However, the moment you become aware of this communication, everything begins to change. Instead of sending unconscious messages filled with worry and uncertainty, you can begin speaking to your subconscious mind intentionally. This is not done through force or struggle. It happens through calm, focused communication that takes place when the mind is relaxed and open. In a quiet state of mind, your inner words carry much more influence. The suggestions you give yourself begin to reach deeper levels of awareness. When these suggestions are repeated with belief and emotional clarity, the subconscious mind begins accepting them as new instructions. This is why many successful individuals develop the habit of speaking to themselves internally with purpose. They give their minds clear directions about the kind of person they are becoming, the goals they are moving toward, and the reality they intend to experience. Over time, these internal messages begin reshaping their confidence, their focus, and even their perception of opportunities. Your subconscious mind is always listening, whether you are aware of it or not. The real transformation begins when you start guiding that conversation consciously, when your thoughts, your inner voice, and your imagination begin working together with intention. The deeper mind starts aligning your behavior and your awareness with the powerful instructions you are choosing to give it every single day. Thoughts alone rarely create powerful change. Many people spend years repeating positive statements or imagining new possibilities, yet they see little transformation in their lives. The missing element is not intelligence, effort, or even belief. The missing element is emotional energy. The deeper levels of the mind respond far more strongly to feelings than to words. Emotion acts like fuel that gives power to every thought you create. Without emotion, a thought is weak and temporary. With emotion, that same thought becomes a powerful signal that reaches deep into the subconscious mind and begins shaping internal patterns. This is why moments of intense feeling leave such strong impressions on the mind. Experiences connected with joy, fear, excitement, or determination tend to stay in memory far longer than ordinary moments. The emotional energy attached to those experiences makes them more important to the subconscious mind, and as a result, they become deeply imprinted. When you begin working with your mind intentionally, emotion becomes one of the most important tools you can use. Instead of simply imagining the life you want, you begin to feel it as if it already exists. You allow yourself to experience the excitement of success, the gratitude of achievement, and the confidence of progress. These feelings transform your mental images into powerful messages that the subconscious mind recognizes as meaningful. The mind begins responding differently when strong emotions are present. Your focus becomes sharper, your imagination becomes more vivid, and your internal belief system begins adjusting to match the emotional signals you are generating. What once felt impossible slowly begins to feel natural and achievable. Emotion also helps align your actions with your intentions. When a vision is supported by genuine feeling, motivation begins to rise naturally. Instead of forcing yourself to take action, you begin moving towards your goals with enthusiasm and determination. Your energy starts matching the future you are imagining. This process gradually transforms the relationship between thought and reality. Thoughts are no longer weak ideas that disappear quickly. They become energized instructions filled with emotional power. The subconscious mind receives these signals clearly and begins organizing your perceptions, decisions, and behaviors around them. As this process continues, your thoughts and feelings begin working together as a single creative force, guiding you steadily toward the reality you have chosen to build within your own mind. The moment a person truly understands the power of the mind, life begins to look very different. Instead of seeing themselves as someone who is simply reacting to circumstances, they begin to realize that their inner world plays a powerful role in shaping the outer one. This awareness changes the way they think, the way they feel, and the way they move through everyday life. Most people grow up believing that reality is something fixed and unchangeable. They assume that circumstances control their happiness, their opportunities, and their future. Because of this belief, they spend much of their lives reacting to what happens around them rather than consciously influencing the direction of their own experiences. But when someone begins working with the deeper levels of the mind, a new understanding slowly emerges. They start to notice that their thoughts influence their focus. Their focus influences their decisions influence their actions, and their actions gradually shape the results they experience in the world. This realization is powerful because it returns a sense of creative responsibility back to the individual. Instead of feeling powerless or controlled by external events, they begin to recognize that their inner state has a strong impact on the direction of their life. The way they imagine the future, the beliefs they hold about themselves, and the emotional energy they carry all begin to influence the opportunities they notice and the paths they choose. Living with this awareness means becoming more intentional about what you allow into your mind. You begin choosing thoughts that strengthen you instead of weakening you. You begin focusing on possibilities instead of limitations. Over time, this consistent mental direction starts shaping your confidence, your perception, and your ability to respond to challenges with clarity rather than fear. As this mindset develops, life no longer feels like a series of random events. It begins to feel like a process of conscious creation. Every day becomes an opportunity to align your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions with the reality you want to experience. When a person reaches this point, they no longer wait for change to arrive from the outside. They begin creating change from within. Their imagination becomes a guide, their emotions become energy, and their focused mind becomes a powerful instrument that steadily moves them toward the reality they are learning to shape through their own awareness and intention.